These pineapples are fruiting right now, and when growing fruit at home, plant care really matters, especially watering. I'll show you how to keep it consistent without overthinking it. I have been growing these pineapple plants for a long time, over 2.5 years, and once they start fruiting, you need consistency. One thing they must have is a lot of sunlight. Now it's wintertime, so what I do is I look for my window that gets a lot of sunlight. You can see the sun behind me. It shines inside this window for 4 to 6 hours, and that is going to be perfect. So I take a cinder block and I set it at the base so I can put these up higher, and that is going to help them get the sunlight that they need to stay nice and green. It's also important to make sure that you still feed your plant. You don't have to go crazy with it, but I use tomato and veg from Neptune's harvest, and I apply this every 2 weeks, and it's going to be good for the plant. It has 2% of nitrogen, and that's going to work. Now, if you're wondering why some of these are brown, that's because I don't turn my pot. If you turn your pot, chances are it's going to get the appropriate sunlight. So I want to prune those off to keep them nice and healthy. So I'm gonna go around and do that as well. So just keep that in mind. If you're new to my channel, if you don't know how I got this plant to fruit, I took apple slices that I made and I put them in the center. You wanna make sure that your plant is mature enough to handle that. So when I got 20 to 25 of these leaves everywhere, that's when I did it. So that will help greatly as well. These pineapple plants need good drainage, so make sure you pick a good soil. The soil that I use is Black Cow. It has been doing wonders for me for the last 2.5 years. I don't have an issue with poor drainage. If you are having an issue with poor drainage, you may want to use that cinder block also, so that when you set it on top and you water, you will be able to use gravity to help with the drainage. That's one thing to consider. Just remember, I don't want these to dry out, but I also don't want them sitting in soggy soil. One thing I've changed once these plants start fruiting was how I water. Hand watering is not consistent, especially when life gets busy. And trust me, it does. The RainPoint system is simple. That's why I like it. It has 0 learning curve. Anybody can use this. It has 2 dials. One dial for how often, meaning I can say every 6 hours, I can say 8 hours, I can go 2 days, I can go 7 days, I can go 14 days. And the other dial is how long. I can go 15 seconds, 1 minute, up to 20 minutes. It has no screen. It has no apps. No complicated programming. Once again, anybody can use this. This is why I love it. I keep it on automatic most of the time so that my pineapple plants get water on a schedule. Having a schedule is going to be better for the plant because it ensures it gets what it needs. But check this out. If it stops watering just like that, I can come over and hit the override button and mash it, and I can get more watering. So it is now watering on the manual button. So that is totally cool. And I have the bucket of water right here that is getting the water from. Each plant has different needs, and these adjustable emitters let me decide how much water each pot gets. So I can add more water coming out. So now it has a faster drip. Or if this plant needs less water, I can bring it back some to a steady drip. And that is going to help me prevent overwatering, underwatering, and it's going to help me save water. And the bottom line, that is going to help this plant thrive so we can get big pineapples. Once it's set, it runs automatically. So that means when I'm busy, my plant is getting watered, and when I'm not home, it's getting watered. And my plant is going to be a lot healthier for it. A bonus tip, you can use this to fertilize your plants with that liquid fertilizer. That's why my plant loves it. If you want smarter watering, join the RainPoint community. You can swap gardening tips, and you can even win free irrigation gear. Use my invitation code, and I'll put a link in the description down below. I'll keep updating these pineapples as they grow. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.